KSL News starts now.
First tonight, a jury will now decide the fate of former Utah Attorney General John Swallow.
Yeah, this comes after years of investigation and a lengthy trial that just went to the jury within the last hour here. Political specialist Ladd Egan joined us live from the Matheson Courthouse with what was said during closing arguments today. Hi, Ladd.
Hey there, it was a full day of closing arguments. Court started around 10 this morning. After those closing arguments, the judge also gave some lengthy, detailed instructions to the juror. And just around 4:20 this afternoon, the public corruption case involving John Swallow now rests in the hands of the jury. Let me tell you a little bit about what happened during these closing arguments. The prosecution was given the chance for a rebuttal and did take that. The defense argued that only 2 witnesses backed up the government's House of Cards narrative, and that the main witness against Swallow is a convicted felon who shouldn't be believed. The prosecution detailed each count to the jury and said Mr. Swallow received gifts and luxury vacations as either part of extortion or bribery schemes.
Is this just a picture of corruption, of greed and power? I submit to you, the state has proved its case beyond reasonable doubt. I ask you, find the defendant guilty. Thank you.
Throughout the case, the momentum, in our opinion, has started off strong and only gotten stronger. The case was shown for what it is, which is unfounded, and we're very confident the jury saw that.
The jurors will consider each of the charges separately, and the number of charges has actually changed since the trial started 3 weeks ago. The prosecution has dropped 4 of the felony charges. Most of those were dropped after a key witness refused to testify. In giving instructions to the jury, the judge told them not to consider or even guess why Mr. Swallow did not testify in his own defense. The jury now has been deliberating for about an hour, and we'll have to see how far they go into the evening before taking a recess. I'll check on that and have an update for you coming up on KSL 5 News at 6. For Live at 5, Ladd Egan.